Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pop art portrait. So let's get started. First, open Canva. You can go to the Canva website or app. Select Create a new design and open a new project. Now, upload your image. After uploading your image to Canva, drag it to your design. Resize it to fit your design as needed. Now to edit the image, click on the image and go to Edit Image. Under the Adjust section, increase the clarity to 100 and saturation slightly to 70. Next, you need to go to Apps in the left sidebar. Type Screen in the search bar and select the Screen app. Choose the halftone effect. Adjust the halftone amount to 0.16 and set the tone scale to 2. Click Save to apply the effect. Now, if you want to remove the background, click on your image and go to Edit Image. Select Background Remover to delete the background. Next, to add a retro background, go to Elements and type Retro Background Photos. Choose a style you like and add it to your design. Resize the background to fit your design. Layer the background by sending it backward behind your main image. And here is the final result. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.